Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you have edit permissions and the dataset connection is valid. This avoids broken visuals later. Open the report in Power BI Service or desktop and locate the page you'll edit. Once done, duplicate the report or pin key visuals to a draft dashboard so you can iterate safely without impacting production. Make sure data refresh is current, because changing visuals while data lags can produce misleading previews and waste effort. Now you dive into changing visuals. Select a chart and swap fields or adjust aggregations so the display matches the question you need answered. Use the Format pane to refine titles, labels, colors, and tooltips. This improves readability and emphasizes key metrics. Then arrange tiles on the dashboard. Resize, align, and set display order so dashboards follow a visual hierarchy. Make sure to test cross-filter behavior between visuals to confirm interactions behave as expected. Finish by saving changes and publishing to the workspace so stakeholders see updates. Update the dataset refresh schedule if data must stay current. Then validate filters, bookmarks, and the mobile layout to ensure consistent experiences across devices. If users report issues, start troubleshooting. Confirm dataset credentials and workspace permissions, inspect query errors in Performance Analyzer, and revert to the duplicate if needed. This approach helps you restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.